Hi, my name is Angela Huffman. I'm a dealer and an educator for APQS. I have a sweet little border design I call Daffodils that'll be perfect for your next baby quilt. I've got a 2-inch chalked border here to give us something to play with, and then I've also given some 2-inch lines to divide that 2-inch space up into little 2-inch blocks. So the first thing we're going to do is put a little daffodil in each of those blocks, and I'm just going to swoop up to a point, and then I'm going to drop down into the center of the daffodil with just a little upside down letter E. So a little swoop up to the next point and then swoop back down, and then I'm going to put it in the next one, and then I'm going to swoop back down. I'm going to put it in the next one, and then when I get to the corner, I'm going to stop and think for a second, because I've got a mitered line there. I've got a chalk showing me that 45-degree angle so that I can swoop up into the 45, drop down into my daffodil, and swoop back up. And then I'm going to keep on going. And if you do this on the outside edge of a quilt, you just want to make sure that you leave enough room there for the binding to fly by so that the points of your daffodil don't get cut off. And don't worry about making them every one look the same. You're a human, you're not a computer. This is part of your personal style showing through on your quilt. Thanks for watching. For more information about APQS machines, visit apqs.com or contact your local dealer. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you're notified every time a new video is posted. And join us over on our Facebook page. We'd love to have you join the conversation, and we'd love to see what you're working on.